I make thousands of dollars per month in passive income, and I'm not a guru. I'm not good with computers. My last job was cleaning dryer vents, and before that was delivering food. And I still do Uber Eats, DoorDash, and side hustle apps. And if I can build these passive incomes, anyone that's watching this could get started. So the first one is going to be YouTube. You may be wondering how I make any money from YouTube with such a small channel. Well, I have 3 YouTube channels. I have my first one, which is my personal brand that has 16,000 subscribers. I teach people how to DJ with the iPad. The second one is I just started filming my job and teaching people how to keep their house safe from fires, cleaning dryer vents. And that one actually grew to 4,000 subscribers. And then this one that you're watching right now. So the first channel, the DJ channel, makes about $400 to $600 in ad revenue. The dryer vent channel makes about $200 to $300 in ad revenue, and this one makes nothing. But according to AI, I will be able to monetize it probably in about 3 to 6 months of watching this video. Biggest tip with YouTube is just stick with it. Even if no one watches your videos, keep making videos and keep trying things different, and eventually you'll find something that works. My next income stream is going to be affiliate marketing. So with Field Agent, they have a great referral program. So even though that this channel isn't monetized, I still have people sign up every week, and then I make money through Field Agent that way. My biggest affiliate marketing income comes from Amazon. So I'm an Amazon associate, which basically you just share a link for a product, someone clicks it, you get commission through Amazon. And then not only on that product, but anything they buy for 24 hours. So the more people you get to click your links, potentially the more you can make. And then the next income stream is in Amazon too, and that's the Amazon Influencer Program. So you make review videos about products that you have or your friends' products or products you find. And then you make reviews, and if people watch them on Amazon, they don't have to go to YouTube or anything. They're already on Amazon and ready to buy. If they watch your review video and buy the product, you get a commission through that. Both of these programs, you need a certain amount of followers on social media to get approved, but you could apply as many times as you want. So you may have to build a YouTube or build like a TikTok to get approved. But once you do, it's the most passive income ever because people could buy it for years and years and years. And you could have videos. I have videos from 3, 4 years ago that I still make passive income from Amazon because they're evergreen topics like how to clean your dryer vent. My next income stream is my online courses. So with the DJ channel, I have 4 online courses on Udemy, which is a platform you could upload your courses to. And I have 4 courses now. I'm working on more. I'm trying to scale that up. But I started with 1 course and then I scaled it up now to 4 courses. And every month people buy it and I get a certain amount of commission through Udemy. There's other platforms you could do it, but having your own course is great. You don't have to be an expert. If you're like a 4 or a 5, like I am at DJing, you could teach people that are a 1 or a 2. And then my next income stream is investments. So I have Robinhood on my phone. So if I have a good month, so I try to save a certain amount every month from doing the side hustles and all the stuff that I do, and then invest it into stock. This isn't financial advice or anything. You're gonna have to find out on your own, but just if you think a stock's going up, you could go to Robinhood, buy it, and if you buy one that pays dividends, you get paid every single month through dividends. My other income is from high yield savings. So I have a Synchrony Bank, and then I get a certain amount of percentage and interest from that. Those aren't a lot of money, probably only like a couple hundred per month, but those are all the passive income streams that I currently make money with. And if you want detailed tutorials and me to teach you exactly how to set that up, exactly what to do, let me know in the comments, and I would gladly make videos about that because I love talking about it.